Do you need quick and seamless support for your Juniper products and services? Welcome to the Global Search video. In this video, you will learn how to use the Juniper Support Portal's Global Search feature to find content, such as cases and contract information, related to your account. You begin your search by clicking the search button represented by a magnifying glass. You can view the list of suggestions under the search option to complete the query. Enter the text completely to get the desired results. By default, your search results are displayed on the All Contents tab. The Global Search feature helps you find answers to support-related queries from Juniper Network's content sites, such as knowledge, cases, RMAs, assets, service contracts, problem reports or PR, and product documentation. You can improve your search on the Knowledge tab by using filters such as channel type, severity level, alert type, risk level, impact level, and category group. You can view the search results by their relevance or the modified date. The Quick View icon indicated as an eye below opens a pop-up window with the search keyword highlighted in each paragraph. You can view the links of related articles in the People Also Viewed section. You can use the buttons above this section to perform further actions. If you want to subscribe to an article, click the Subscribe button. The Print button enables you to download a printable version of the article. The Report a Security Vulnerability button allows you to report a security vulnerability. Click the Back button to return to the previous screen. The Cases tab provides separate filters to search cases based on their priority, status, record type, and account name. On the RMAs tab, you can filter the search results using the status and account name filters. Similarly, on the Assets tab, you can filter the results based on status, end customer, installed at country, and product details. You click the Service Contracts tab to filter the results based on contract type, status, and end customer. You can also click the Problem Report or PR tab to filter the search results based on severity level, status, and product, and view a detailed report. Click the Preview option below each PR to view the details of the problem within the current browser window. You can click the results to take you to the PR search site, which is out of the Juniper Support Portal. The Product Documentation tab lists the results. Click the Preview option below each document to view the details of the document within the current browser window. You can click the results to take you to the Juniper Documentation site, which is out of the Juniper Support Portal. If you require further assistance, you can chat with the Juniper Digital Assistant. The Juniper Support Portal is designed to enhance your support experience so that you can find all your required information quickly and easily. We are excited to have you join us on our support journey.